Welcome to our video on immunological science. Today, we will be diving into the fascinating field of immunology and exploring the incredible world of our immune system. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this educational journey together.
When it comes to immunology, we're talking about the body's defense system. Our immune system is made up of a complex network of organs, tissues, cells, and molecules that work together to protect us from infection and disease. The immune system is like an army, constantly patrolling our body to identify and eliminate any foreign substances or invaders that can harm us. One of the key players in the immune system are white blood cells, also known as leukocytes. These cells come in different forms and have different functions, but they all play a crucial role in fighting off infections. For example, there are neutrophils, which are the first responders to any site of infection, and lymphocytes, which are responsible for mounting more specific and targeted immune responses. Another important aspect of the immune system is antibodies. These are special proteins that are produced by our immune cells called B cells. Antibodies act as the body's defense weapons, targeting and neutralizing harmful substances such as bacteria, viruses, and toxins. They are like the soldiers in our immune army, specifically designed to recognize and destroy invaders. But how does our immune system know what to attack and what to leave alone? This is where the concept of immunological memory comes in. When our immune system encounters a new invader, such as a bacteria or virus, it mounts a response to eliminate it. But the immune system has a remarkable ability to remember this encounter. If we are exposed to the same invader in the future, our immune system can mount a faster and more effective response, thanks to its memory of the previous encounter. This is why we often develop immunity to certain diseases after we've been infected or vaccinated.
Immunology is not just limited to fighting infections. It also plays a critical role in understanding and treating diseases such as cancer and autoimmune disorders. Researchers are constantly working to unravel the complexities of the immune system and develop new therapies that harness its power to fight diseases. In conclusion, immunology is a captivating field that explores the intricate mechanisms of our immune system. From white blood cells to antibodies, our immune system is a remarkable defense system that protects us from a multitude of threats. By understanding the science behind immunology, we can gain valuable insights into how our body fights off diseases and develop new ways to bolster our immune system. Thank you for joining us on this journey through immunological science, and we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the incredible world of immunology.